In this video, I'll be talking about unordered list. So it's the opposite of the first lecture on the lists, alright? So let's get started. When we made our ordered list, we will put, for example, OL, and we put our list items like this way, alright? And we would say, for example, Frank, and we go to the next line. I will say, for example, Jeff, LI, Jeff, and I will go to the, alright. And we would go to the next line and make multiple of these. Let's say, for example, LI, I'll say Apple. Right, so this is how ordered list done. So what if I want to do unordered list? Alright, unordered does not mean that it will be 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. It will not have numbers. This is the difference between those lists. So how to do that? You just put UL instead of OL. Did you see? We have now, instead of numbers, bullets. And this is the most widely used on the web pages, unordered list. So this is what you might use, alright? And you can add links to it. Thanks God in this course we have links, but it will not be included in this lecture, on the next lecture I think. So now this is how you do unordered list. But what if you want to make nested lists? You want to make a list inside a list. For example, I want to have a list for Frank on this list. It's easy. You just go below Frank, right? Let me just have a space. You just go UL. Alright, now you have an unordered list on this thing, okay? And you can just put list items, okay? If I said likes to play football, alright? So this is an example, as you see. So Frank, and we have another unordered list, and we add this, alright? So this is called nested lists, alright? Nested lists, I mean. So if I can go to Jeff, I can add multiple unordered lists on this list. Just go UL, we'll just go, for example, Jeff like to swim, alright? So like to swim, alright? So this is how you do it. And now you have learned unordered and ordered list. See you in the next lecture.